Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build Jenkins 2.375 from its source code using Jenkins and Maven 3.8 without using any source code repository. That is, we are going to build Jenkins by using Jenkins in local directory. Okay. So here, Casey, I already downloaded Jenkins 2.375 source code. I have provided a download link in the description of this video. So before building, let me show you the global tool configuration. So I have already added JDK 11 and JDK 17, and also I integrated Maven. So this is my Maven installation. Let me show you the settings.xml. So this is my settings.xml. So I am pointing to the local Maven repository. So all the compiled jars and pom will be stored in this local repository. So this is my local repository. So you may need internet connection in order to download the jar files and artifacts. Make sure that you have a fast internet connection. Okay, now let us proceed to Jenkins. Okay, now I am going to create one new item. So I am giving some name to the project. Let it be Jenkins 2.375 and it will be a Maven project. So I am creating a Jenkins Maven project. Click the OK button. Let us configure the project now. So JDK 11 I am using, and source code management I am choosing none because I am going to build from local directory. So root pom in goals and option I am setting the below Maven goals and options. So this is a lengthy goals and options. So I have provided the Maven goals and options in the description of this video also. See, first what will happen, it will check for any formatting errors, so that spotless apply plugin will be useful. And last one, very important. So apply it, save. So click the link, build now. So it will build an empty project, and here you can see that one directory is created. Okay, so one directory is created under workspace. So copy the directory path. So to this path only I am going to extract the Jenkins source code. So I am going to extract the Jenkins source code to this path only. Okay. So extracted. So here you can see that pom.xml, that is parent pom or root pom should be there. Now once again I am clicking build now in Jenkins. So what will happen now? It will automatically pick up the pom.xml, that is parent pom.xml, and it will start building the source code in the local directory. See here, it automatically pick up the pom and Maven goals and options. See here. Let me highlight this. Yes. So now Jenkins building in process. Yes. So Jenkins build is successful. So we have built Jenkins by using Jenkins. So you can find the output war file in the war directory. So let me go to the project. So let me click the module. So these are the modules available in the pom.xml. So you can browse the war file in the workspace directory. So under war, you can see one directory called war, right? In that war directory, you can see that jenkins.war will be available. War file target. Yes, you can see jenkins.war, and also you can see exploded.war. So finally we have built Jenkins using Jenkins without using any source code repository. Make sure that you have internet connection in order to download the jar files and pom files.